G'day guys, so I know I've picked a lock in a little while, so I thought I'd better make a start and find one to pick. So I've got a couple of challenge locks left here. I haven't picked yet. Don't know what that one is. That one's number 1 by Cameron Dunn. They've got the Dexter Dilemma by Crank. Actually, let me turn the flash on this camera just so you can see. Dexter Dilemma, that's the one with the really crazy beating. Then we've got POSER by Bearsback. Oh, this one's a Asa Abloy Arrow. Might give this one a go. Alright. Get to use my new pick kit. My Sparrow's Monstrum. Now, I've gone ahead and cleaned all these up. I haven't had a chance to use these yet. I hit them with some 400 wet and dry to round them out, all the sharp edges. Then I hit it with some 1000 grit wet and dry, and then just to finish them off, some very fine steel wool all over them, and they are smooth and slick as anything now. But one thing I wanted to point out, my scaling's been way off. These are the top of the keyway tensioners that come with it. So these are the Sparrow's ones, and as you know, I've got my homemade top of the keyway tension wrench that I've always used, as it's the only one I've got. And just for comparison of size, I mean, look at the size difference on that. It's like half of one of them in length, and a lot thicker than any of them. So I had to grind down the edges here to make it thick enough so it fits into the locks perfectly. But anyway, that's one thing I noticed. So alright, enough rambling on about this kit and how I overcompensate for stuff. Let's have a look at this challenge lock. So works beautifully smooth, and it's pretty good bidding on that. Oop, come on camera, focus. It's got a bit spastic there. So pretty good bidding. It's high cut right at the back, hiding behind 2 low cuts, and then it's pretty high cuts at the front. So a little bit of a paracentric. Come on, what is going on with this camera? Keyway, nice big chunk of warding right in there. So hopefully I'll be able to get this picked. That's going to catch if I put it in there. Find that the hard way on other locks. So I'd put it in there. Let's make sure this still works. Yep. Alright, we're all locked. Now, instead of using my top of the keyway, let's use one of the ones from the kit. The thickest, which is that one. That should work. And we'll grab one of the hooks. Let's go to Sparrow's short hook. Alright, so I'm going to grab the Sparrow's short hook. As you can see, they did come up quite nice. No rough edges. They just glide in there like a super hot knife through butter. So very, very happy with these. And I'm at nearly 5 minutes, so I better make this quick. Come on, zoom in. And focus on the lock. Come on, focus. Alright. Forgot the shakes. It's just my body being stupid. Running the temp at the moment, so alright, let's click out of pin 5. All accounts, body temp of 38 degrees Celsius is high. So we've got to click out of 3 and just felt slight turn on the core. That was pin 2. Let's go on pin 1. Click out of pin 1, a bit more turn on the core. Alright, feels like pin 4 is seized up. Got like no tension on this. And all the pins at the back are all seized. Look, pin 3 again. Slight click and a bit more of a turn on the core. Let's feel for these others. No. Try pin 6 right at the back. Pretty sure this is a 6 pin. I felt 6, but 6 is always springy. Just pick on the warding. Okay, it must be caught on something. So a false set, but I'm not getting any feedback from any of these pins. Might be that high cut pin in 6, so I'm just going to grab a slightly higher hook. So grab a nice high one. Try and get right into the back. Let's try pin 6. So the thing was oversetting. There we go. Pin 6. Couldn't quite reach it with the other one. It was oversetting the other two. Alright, got an open. And I must say the feedback on these picks is absolutely amazing compared to those cheap, nasty ones that I normally use, which are all in. Whoop, let me zoom out. Which are all in here. With a heap of other stuff, but those cheap, nasty picks, although some of those picks in there I've had for quite a few years and they're still good. So, but anyway, it's enough rambling on about crap. Delirium must be setting in. Alright. So, definitely got an open. I'll go ahead and lock this up. Okay. Got a clip on the back there. It's locked up. Let's get this clip off. And this wants to work, it works perfect. Move this camera down. Camera, not tripod. There we go. I am going to do the smart thing, because that big nasty gap right in the back there, I'm going to shim it. Get the shim to fit in. Come on, that's got it. Right. Let's see if we've got the right size follower. That should work. Which side the pins that way? Maybe not. Next size down. Well, it is all 6 and nothing looks out the ordinary just yet. If this is all standard, I'm going to be quite disappointed. Being a lock by Bearsback. I've seen a few people pick some of his locks and does a bloody good job. These, so all of them need to be picked. Alright, let's go pin 1. This is a standard. 2 is standard. 3 is standard. 4. 5 and 6. Yep, all those are standard. Alright, in the core we've got undercutting in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is all stock. Whoa, come on. Very nice undercuts. They are very close to the edge there and very sharp. Very nice. Right, what are we hiding upstairs? Yeah, that's the front. Took me a second to remember them. So what I'll do is through the camera. Oh. Just barely breaks the shear line there. Whoop. That was pointed that way. Very nice T-pin with spool. Very nice homemade pin there. Spring. Come on. Got a brass spring in there, he was that way. Chamber 2. Very nice. Deep serrations on that one. Come on. And little baby steel spring. Alright. Chamber 3. Come out that way. We've got serrations at the top. I should say the bottom. And a spool up the top just there. So very nice pins. And another one of those little steel springs. Thought so. Nice little T-pin. Chamber 4. And oop, just launched that spring. Where did you go there? That's a steel spring there. Alright, let's turn this around and go from the back. we have almost like a Christmas tree pin there. Camera focus. So almost like step down Christmas tree T-pin. And very fine little spring on him. And lucky last, another T-pin. Very nice, nicely polished, and another steel spring on him. Alright, any mods upstairs? We have threading in 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6 is completely stock. So very nice. So a quick close look at these pins. 16 minutes. I'll just go over the top. Alright, so chamber 1. Where are we? We've got all standards down the bottom. I'll just go through that first. Then upstairs we've got in chamber 1 very nice T-pin spool, I'm going to say. Pin 2 is a very nice serrated, very deep serrations on that pin. Really impressed with that one, that's nice. Same as pin 3, got like 2 serrations down the bottoms. In between the spool and the serration up the top, we've got T-pin in 4, T-pin in 5, and the Christmas tree or wedding cake, whatever you want to call it, in 6. And we did have some variations in spring tension up the top as well. So, zoom right out. Alright, so awesome lock, Bearsback, POSER, so appreciate it, awesome lock, very nice to pick that one, so very impressed. But anyway, better wrap this up. So as always follow the code, keep locksport legal, don't do anything stupid. Come and join us on Discord, great forum, cannot recommend it enough. Don't forget to check us out on Instagram, which is hiding just up top there, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Nearly at 200 subscribers, so once I hit 200 I will be organising a giveaway for that, so stay tuned, and until next time, cheers guys.